Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. The network again heard rumors of the successor to the compact iPhone OS, which fans have been waiting for a long time, but Apple does not announce the device. According to fresh information, the novelty will be released under the name of the iPhone mini, and not the iPhone SE2, as previously reported. The front of the device will be very reminiscent of the diminished iPhone XS. Its screen will already have a custom cut for the front camera system. Under the design of the back panel, the novelty will look similar to the iPhone SE. In terms of dimensions, it is expected that the iPhone mini will not be much different from the iPhone SE. Smartphone should come out in 3 color variants: silver, gold and cosmic gray. Also, the smartphone is assigned a protection against dust and moisture according to the description of the degree of IP67. The iPhone mini should receive a 580-inch OLED Super Retina display with a resolution of 2080x960 pixels, a single-chip A12 Bionic, a 12-megapixel mainframe with f/1.8 aperture, which will support 4K video recording at 60 fps, as well as recording a video resolution of 1080R at 240 fps. The front camera will be equipped with a 7-megapixel image sensor, and the lens will have an aperture of f/2.2. The smartphone will support the Face ID recognition system of the 2nd generation. The battery capacity is 1860 mAh. The smartphone will support wireless charging. From the box he will receive an operating system iOS 13 with support for night mode. The price of the smartphone will be $849, $949 and $1,099 respectively for the version of 64, 128 and 256 GB of flash memory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.